got 2 bags of this chopped frozen spinach, 1 can of rotel that hasn't been drained. Put this on here like that, and 1 can of golden sweet corn that has been drained. 1 can of green chilies. And we're gonna give this a stir. Get all those flavors combined. Get all these colors. It actually matches my spatula. Once that is all combined, we're gonna go ahead and add our next layer. Start with a block of cream cheese and an 8-ounce container of sour cream. That whole thing goes in there. Put this in 1 layer like that. Next, we're gonna use some taco seasoning, just using the Great Value brand. This entire dip is so affordable to make, guys. Got some chopped garlic. We're gonna go ahead and add just a good, healthy spoonful of that right in the middle. And if you like garlic as much as I do, you're gonna add 1 more, just like that. We're gonna add some onion powder to this. I know there are seasonings in that taco seasoning, but I like having a oniony, garlicky dip. Some salt. And some fresh cracked black pepper. This dip is perfect. I love making it in the crock pot because then you can actually take it with you to a game day, watch party. It's gonna be such a huge hit. Everybody's gonna love this dip. We're gonna give this a stir as well. Just make sure that all that cream cheese, kind of break it up just a little bit. It's gonna help it cook down. Oh, with all that spinach, it's gonna be so good, guys. Okay, so once that's kind of all put together, we are going to add, this is 1 pound of shredded queso quesadilla. You can use like a white cheddar or a white American cheese if you want, but this is 4 cups, an entire pound goes into this cheesy dip. Go ahead and make sure that that's all in there like that. And then we have 1 last ingredient, which is some real crumbled bacon. Did you know this is, look, 40% less fat than actually making the bacon from scratch. So maybe this is actually healthier bacon. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and put the lid on this and set this on high for 2 hours. Wow, look at how this all melded together. Gonna mix this together real quick. Oh, get all that spinach out from underneath. Oh, this is gonna be like the best dip. Cheesy, it's got the spinach in there. So I've got these red holiday scoops. Let me give one of these a try. Aren't these cute? It's so good. Definitely make some for your next watch party, game day. Really, really good.